When it comes to our skin, scars can often tell the stories of our past, but they don't have to define our future. Introducing a journey into the world of natural remedies, where the power of nature meets science to gently fade and even remove scars, revealing your skin's true potential. In this video, we'll explore a range of nature's wonders that have been proven to diminish the appearance of scars, leaving you with smoother, more radiant skin. Our first secret is hazelnut oil, a luxurious ingredient rich in fatty acids and vitamin E. Gently apply it every night before bed to reduce the appearance of scars, revealing the beauty beneath. Vitamin E, a skin superhero, shields your skin from damage and helps fade scars. Watch as we reveal a simple technique to unlock its potential. Lemons, nature's brightening agent. Discover how the citric power of lemon juice can lighten scars and promote skin rejuvenation, both inside and out. Aloe Vera, a soothing balm for your skin. Witness the magic of aloe vera as it locks in moisture and aids in scar reduction. Almonds, the natural way to nurture your skin. Follow along as we create a nutrient-rich almond paste that works wonders on scars, leaving you with a newfound confidence. And finally, a staple in the world of natural remedies, apple cider vinegar. Discover how this liquid gold can gently fade scars and enhance your skin's overall health. Each of these natural remedies offers a unique approach to scar removal, with their potent properties working in harmony to unveil your skin's true radiance. Remember, these remedies are a journey, not a quick fix. Consistency is key, and for deeper or more severe scars, consulting a medical professional may be necessary. Embrace the beauty of nature's touch on your skin. Rediscover your confidence, one scar at a time, with these effective natural remedies. For more skincare insights and natural remedies, visit our channel Health and Wellness Works.